ready for the ultimate challenge, float or sink. Can you guess the right answer? Pick fast, earn coins, and become a science superstar. Let's go! Apple challenge! Will it float or sink? Pick fast. Whoa, it floats. Apples have air inside, so they float. Great job! You earned your first coin. Next challenge, what about a metal key? Will it float or sink? Make your guess. Oh, the key sinks! Metal is heavy and more dense than water, so the key sinks down. Orange challenge. Look closely. One orange has a peel and one has no peel. Which one will float and which one will sink? Pick fast. Wow, the orange with the peel floats, but the peeled orange sinks. The orange peel traps tiny air bubbles that help it stay light and float on water. Awesome! You're collecting lots of coins! Big watermelon challenge. Which one will float and which one will sink? Make your choice! Whoa! The whole watermelon floats, but the watermelon slice sinks. Amazing! Watermelon has lots of water and air inside that help the whole watermelon stay light enough to float. Now let's try a candle. Will it float or sink? Guess fast. Look, the candle floats. Wax is lighter than water, so candles usually float. Wow, you're becoming a float and sink expert. What happens to an egg? Will it float or sink? Make your guess. Oops, the egg sinks. Eggs are denser than plain water, so they sink, but salty water helps them float. You earned a treasure chest. Keep going, science champion. Special challenge. Which one will float? Rock, key, sponge, or coin? Choose your answer now. Wow, the sponge floats. The rock, key, and coin sinks. Objects that are lighter or less dense than water float. Heavy metal objects usually sink. Bonus challenge. What will happen when the magnet comes close? Choose fast. Wow! The magnet grabbed the metal objects, but the plastic coin did not stick. Magnets attract some metals, but plastic does not stick to magnets. How many coins do you have now? Which bottle will sink? The empty bottle or the milk-filled bottle? Amazing! The empty bottle floats, but the milk-filled bottle sinks. Air inside the empty bottle helps it float. Milk makes the bottle heavier, so it sinks. Final challenge! Which one will sink? Duck, ball, wood, or spoon? Boom! The spoon sinks! Metal objects are usually heavier and denser than water, so they sink. Wow, wow! You completed the Float and Sink Challenge and became a science superstar. Keep learning and keep exploring. See you in the next adventure.